but you have the numbers, right? Good morning. A very, very good morning. RGUHS and SS Care Trust is jointly organizing the Walkathon event 2025, and just now we had Shri Dr. Bhagwan BC, the Vice Chancellor of RGUHS Bengaluru, who addressed us regarding the dire necessity of this movement towards drug-free India and towards organ donation. Sir, it's a moment of pride in Davangere for all of us, the RGUHS affiliated institutions. We are 15 in number, and our institution, Bapuji Educational Association, we have around 5 institutions and around 7 institutions and 2,500 students. I'm just talking about the students, the faculty, everyone included. We are around 3,000 in numbers, and we promise you, sir, we'll take the movement further from our Bapuji Educational Institution affiliated RGUHS, and not only the RGUHS affiliated Bapuji institutions, under Bapuji Educational Association, we have more than 35 institutions, and all the institutions, the student faculty, the teaching, non-teaching faculty, the governing council members, with association with SS Care Trust. Dr. Shamnu Shivshankarappaji Care Trust, Appaji is our managing trustee, and we have the district minister, Shri S.S. Mallikarjun, and Kirwadi Girchamma, who are part of the trust. And already Appaji has invested 20 crore in SS Care Trust, and we have around 15 dialysis units, and every month for CKD patients, we are conducting free dialysis up to 700 per month for the BPL card holders. So since why I'm talking about this background is SS Care Trust is already working towards CKD, the dialysis patients, and the free services, healthcare awareness, even the NCD programs are being conducted. The screening, awareness, treatment camps are being conducted in and around the city of Davangere and the Davangere constituency, which has around 16 lakh number of population. So now, taking it further, I am also the member in the health committee, and just 2 months ago, the ministry had a detailed discussion regarding organ donation. So that is when we had a meeting even in our core committee at SS Care Trust, and we did discuss how to take it further, how to bring about awareness in the public about the importance of organ donation. So when I got to know from the syndicate member here about the walkathon event. We have session happening in Delhi. The session will end on 19th. So I landed at 9:30 in Davangere, and I very much wanted to be a part of this movement because I think all the stakeholders are here. We have the dignitaries here, the MLA of Harihara, Harish Auridare, with the DC, SP, CEO, the entire district administration is here, all the university, the VC and the entire RGUHS team is here, and we have the institutions, and the most important part of our stakeholders today is the youth here, the faculty, the younger generation who are here, who can bring about a change. Alva, Mahatma Gandhiji ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, be the change you wish to see ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ VC ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮನೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಶುರು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ RGUHS ಇಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆ ನಡೆನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಂದೋಲನದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 6,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 5,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೇರಿದಿರ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವದ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ನಿರಂತರ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಆಸ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಟ್. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಗಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ RGUHS. One is against addiction and the second one is towards organ donation. Now if you look at the statistics, the youngsters in India, as per survey, 10 to 24 years ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು 32.8% of them have tried one or the other form of drugs. And another alarming fact is around 75.5% of them are below the age of 18 years, right? So we should also target the school going children as well, school and college going children, not only the university level. So even from the Ministry of Health, both at the center and the state, and even all the institutions, be it the schools, the colleges, the universities, along with RGHs, should start it in a movement at ground level, in their campuses and in the society as well. Now, youngsters, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡುವಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So we are all aware of the situation of the depressed students, and as peers, as fellow students and faculty members, even from SS Care Trust, I'm sure even the student wing has already worked on a program wherein you will be involving your fellow students and see that any such student, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಖಿನ್ನತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ involved in peer pressure, right? You can get into so much of constructive work. Today we are in the field, we are seeing so many of them coming and practicing their sports events, right? You'll have multiple passion and interest. It could be sports, it could be your creative field, it could be your reading or anything. So idle mind is devil's workshop. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಐಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಿರಂತರ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ರೀತಿ it need not be only your medical education, it can be anything, your passion, your interest. So get yourself involved in such activities and see that you are an asset to yourself, your society and to the nation as well. And coming to organ donation, even in the ministry we have different hierarchy. We have the SOTO, ROTO and NOTO at the state, regional and national level. So even the government of India is bringing up many policy changes. ಈಗ ಅಂಗದಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಲಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30,000 liver transplants. I'm just talking about liver transplants, and the last year data says around 18,111 transplants were done. And among these, the alarming fact is the living donors are 15,505 and the deceased donors are, any guesses? Deceased donors ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಈ 18,000 ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಡೋನರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವಂತ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿವರಿನ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೋನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೋ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಕಿಡ್ನೀಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಡೋನರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್, around only 1,128. Among the 15,505 donors, only 1,128 are deceased donors. So this is one thing which we need to work at. We should visit all the ICU facilities in Davangere and have a dedicated team of counselors who can go and talk to the family of the brain dead patients, try and convince them and talk to them about the importance of organ donation. And I would also like to say that let us take it up as a collective mission and see that we all walk with a purpose and a promise today. We all have made a pledge today already, right? So we promise to choose health over addiction. We promise to stand by our youth, and we promise to give life through organ donation. And let us all walk with purpose, with hope and for life. And I wish each one of you good health, happiness and success. And let all of us, the stakeholders in our various roles, take this movement further. Talk to our family, talk to our near and dear ones. We all have our mobiles, right? And just now the VC of RGHS clearly told us that we will be giving more awareness at the university level in the respective colleges. So go through that and spend time with your family in your drawing rooms, talk to your fellow family members, your relatives, and take this movement further. ಹೌದಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಡಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಆಸ್ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ SSK ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ and a governing council member, we will all, the Bapuji Association, promise to take it further and see that we pledge, and I too will pledge my organ and see that we take this movement further ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.